How to use AI to win a grant. Have you been applying for business grants or personal grants and you have never won before? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI, ChatGPT or Gemini, to your benefit to start winning business grants. Let's do this.
Diamonds and rubies, pearls and nice jewelry, matching bags with shoes, and they calling her real bougie. That modest woman, she's a real cutie. That modest woman, she's a real cutie. Her smell, vanilla and patchouli, clothes draping real loosely, versatile. Timeless, stylish, shining, putting smiles on their faces. Can't tell what her age is. That modest woman, she's a real cutie. That modest woman, she's a real cutie. Stay fresh, stay fly, stay comfortable.
Hello, everyone. My name is Idaya. I'm the owner and the creative designer behind Cover Me Cute. At Cover Me Cute, we help busy women save time and boost self confidence by designing show stopping, effortless, size inclusive, comfortable, modest fashion. Apart from being a fashion designer, I'm also a nurse, I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and I love absolutely everything I do. I'm also a business mentor and a business coach with over a decade of business experience. Today is part 5 of what AI can do for your business. Okay. And today's topic is how to use AI for grant writing. I know it sounds like, oh, how can you use AI for grant writing? Oh my God, it's super easy. If you're the kind of person that when you write grants, you're not very sure if you're doing it right, but you've written so many grants, you've applied for so many free money, you've never got it. This video is for you, and I'll encourage you to watch it to the end. So there are 3 key things that you can use AI for, right? But before we go there, have you subscribed to this channel? Are you a newbie? So we can welcome you correctly into the Wealthy Monks Club, or are you an OG? Let me know in the comment. If you're an OG, put OG. If you're a newbie, put a newbie. And if you're a newbie, let's know what you do in the comments. Let's get to know you so you can meet other siblings in the community, and we can just go from there. So like I said earlier, there are 3 things AI can do to help you win business grants. Number one thing is, when you are writing a grant, one of the most important things is to make sure that each and every answer you give, each and every paragraph aligns with the mission and the values of the grant givers. If you do not know how to do this, like, okay, let me take, for example, there's a women empowerment grant of $10,000. And this person that is giving you the grant started the grant because she found out that women can only get less than 1% of business funding from conventional banks. And so she decided that when her business becomes successful, she's going to start giving money to um, less privileged women, women of color, so they could take their business to the next level. I'm a woman of color, right? And I understand the struggle that comes with being a woman of color in the West. So if I was to write the grant, right, I would, if they asked me, okay, what are your values? I would make sure that when I'm writing the values and what problem my product and service solve, I will make sure somewhere in the description I write that I also understand how it feels to be marginalized as not just only a woman, but a woman of color, right? And after writing it out, already have my draft. Then I will go to ChatGPT. The question that they asked me in that grant application, I'll plug it in and I'll tell Chat that this is my answer. How can I make it better? Okay, this is the answer I have for this grant, but it's a grant writing, and I want to let them know how you want to sound professional. How can I make it better? Instantly, ChatGPT will give you ideas of things you ought to say that can make it better. A lot of times, too, you want to express yourself, but you have too many words. And the grant application is telling you, oh, you can only do 300 characters or 300 words. How can you break it down but still keep the most important words? Get your draft, copy and paste it, and tell ChatGPT, I want you to reduce this paragraph to 300 words. However, I want to make sure the most important words stand out. Maybe like empowerment, or maybe like the problem is solved, or maybe like a confidence boost, or maybe whatever you want it to, whatever words you still want to be in that paragraph. Let chat gpt know, and before you know it, it's gonna reduce it. You're gonna read it. If you don't like it, it's gonna do it again. It's gonna do it again until you like it. Then you're gonna take it and you're gonna copy it and paste it into your grant writing. So this is just helping you get, it's like, it's like writing a draft of a grant and taking it to a grant professional. That's pretty much how it is. Sometimes the downfall of AI is it could be very general, but it's only general when you are general with your questions. When you are specific with your questions, when you know your industry and you know your target customers, when you know the people you're serving, and you can give Chat GPT or AI, or Gemini, which is both AI, enough information not to generalize your answers, it's not going to generalize your answers. So I hope this video helps you to at least win one grant. Okay. And in this, on this channel, we are all always talking about business grants. And grants are money you do not have to pay back. They do not have yield interest. Is yours to keep forever to take your business to the next level. If you incorporate AI with your grant writing, I'm assuring you that you'll be more confident writing more grants. It's going to not only make you more confident, but it's actually going to save you more time, meaning you're going to have more time to apply for more grants. And if you ask me that, how many grants should I be applying for every month? I would say apply for at least 10 grants every month. And I know that sounds like, oh my God, how am I going to do that? I barely have time. Pick the last Sunday of every month. Before that last Sunday of the month, make sure you have the websites ready on your computer, saved somewhere that you want to, where you want to apply. Get all those 10 grants ready. And then on that Sunday that you picked, maybe before your kids wake up, or maybe when they went to Sunday school, start applying for this grant. Don't forget, we also have a video, I'm going to link it somewhere around here, where you have a grant template. So you're going to use that grant template, tweak it, copy and paste. When you need things tweaked, you're going to take it to AI, you're going to tweak it. Make sure if English is your second language and you want it to sound real, like you are the one that wrote it, let ChatGPT know that English is my second language and I want it to sound like 8th grade English, very clear and precise, as if it's my second language, because it is my second language. Okay. So that is what you are going to do to get ahead of others. Because in every situation, you want to be unique. And taking advantage of modern things and not shying away from it just because you have to relearn it just like you're going to school will help you get ahead of your peers. And I hope this video helps at least one person. If you have found any benefits in this video, I want you to click the red button below and subscribe. If you already subscribed, hit the notification button, because I'm going to be producing at least 3 YouTube videos weekly. And you do not, girl, you do not want to miss one, because if you do, you might be lost. Okay. And our mission is to grow and build generational wealth so we can transfer it from generation to generation to generation, so they can offer all these money so they do not have to worry. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.